Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix notes feature missing from Messenger. So guys, if you're using Messenger on iPhone or on Android phone and you are facing the issue that notes feature not showing on your Messenger app, so guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you have to open your Play Store if you're using Android device, and if you're using iOS device you have to open App Store in that phone. And guys, after opening this, here you need to search Messenger, and guys, after this you have to open your Messenger and you need to update your Messenger if you have not updated your app. So guys, the main reason of this problem is not updated app. If you have not updated your app, then guys, you will see that many of features are missing from your Messenger app. And guys, when you have updated your app, then guys, you will see all the missing features on your app. And guys, after updating it, you have to open your app and guys, check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, no need to worry. You have to click on three lines and click on settings. Now you have to scroll it down. From here you can see the option of report technical problem. Now you have to click it again. So guys, as you can see here, report anyway, you have to click on include. And guys, now here you need to write your problem that you are facing, that a notes feature is missing from your Messenger. And after writing your problem, you have to mention here email address for contact purpose and upload a screenshot. And now you have to click on send. Within few minutes they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.